Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Duolingo effectively. I will be just tap on it and make sure you will have logged in, and you will just set a goal for the choose a realistic XP goal to stay consistent, and you will just also use in the desktop version if you have, and you will just enable the speaking and listening exercise improving pronunciations and comprehensions. I will just tap on it in this basic phrases, so you will just turn it on and you will be just use to enable speaking. You will see, and let's see.
Tu es Marc? Non, je suis Paul. Un garçon. Une fille.
So in this way you will just practice with the help of this enable speaking and listening exercises and improve your pronunciations and comprehensions to understand the corrections and mistakes, and you will be just skip easily levels to focus on challenging content. So in this way you will just use Duolingo effectively. That's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.